So we are going to start today mind mapping. Okay, so this is a tool means not only applicable in this uh, for script writing, but for in future when we are supposed to develop visuals, when you're supposed to develop environment, character, so thing would be same. This is the one technique developed by the for design, so that you can start thinking. So what exactly mind mapping is? There are some ideas inside your mind. So you have to bring those ideas to uh, on paper or some solid form. It should be visible to others, and you can take the feedback of others and improvise. So what exactly that? For example, you have to ask that I have to write something. So very first idea you have to develop. Okay. For example, just randomly I'm just going here and something came into my mind, that is flower. Okay, so this is your first idea. So mind mapping is just like developing the roots out of this, and it's more about the question to each other or question to yourself. Okay, so if I say question, uh, so any one of you don't answer at a time. So give me some what flower, what is the thing which comes in your mind if I say flower? Very first, online student first. Anyone can tell?
A rose.
Beautiful.
Okay, one by one. Okay. Then another branch comes, that is beautiful or beauty, we can say. Anyone else? Just add yours one by one ideas.
Attractive.
Sorry,
Attractive.
I'm not able.
Attractive.
Effective,
Attractive.
attractive. Okay.
Yes.
Life.
Anyone else? Anyone wants to add something?
Sunflower.
Sun,
Life.
sorry,
Sunflower. Sunflower.
sunflower. Okay, so to just save our time, we rather than going to everyone, but you have to work your own. So for, let's say student A is there, so he or she has to develop one sheet on this. Some one first idea, that is flower, which came to my mind. It could be something else for you. Then related to something, whatever comes in your mind, you have to write. Then so on. Now rose. Okay. So focus this one. So this is the another route. Then you have to develop another thing. Anyone about rose? Specific about rose?
White rose.
Sorry,
White rose.
white rose. So it's about color.
Yeah.
And then it is white. Anybody else for rose?
I have another one.
Yeah, go ahead.
Petals.
Petals.
Yeah.
Correct me if my spelling is wrong.
I'll have to check as well.
We are not for grammar. If it is communicating, it's more than enough. Okay,
Yeah.
so
It's
this is,
PETL.
yeah. So this is the mind mapping way of doing. You have to write first. So randomly we just go here. What you are supposed to do? There are many other things related to story. So one is social. Say something about social problem or social cause or anything like environment. Right. So this is going to be here in this center one, because this is an example for flower. If you go very fantasy kind of thing, or for another, for me, let's say if I want to add that sci-fi, something related to sci-fi, something science fiction kind of thing I want, then I can develop.
Alien.
There's a flower. This is my idea. Okay, this
Okay.
is my vague idea, you can say, just came into mind. That is mind mapping. Whatever is coming to your mind, just write down, and then finalize. Okay, I'm going with the color. Yes, this is valuable for me. Probably this is not. And beauty, whether I want to say something in my story beauty, then I can say yes, or if it is not, then you just cut it down. So you left with some fixed things or define things, though we have started very vaguely or very undefined, you can say. So for me it's a science sci-fi, then I can develop more branches from here. Okay, sci-fi means what exactly I want to say. When there's a flower, something related to science, so that could be a monster, right? Monster flower. Okay, and
Yes.
which is a carnivorous. So this is the very first step to develop your story. Could be possible that somebody is by birth is a writer, so he can apply that creativity. Otherwise, for normal people, normal students, those who are studying, this is the one way to develop creatively approach. It can be used for character also. For example, I say again this box, the center one, I write a boy going to be my character. Then I can ask, okay, age, okay, or which ethnic group can be. Uh, is it super boy or super human kind of person, or with possessing some superpower? This is very common, which is just simply came into my mind. That's why I'm writing. And if you say superpower, then you have to define what kind of. So slowly, you are asking yourself question and developing your ideas. So once we finish, you have to submit this kind of one paper, scan copy to me, where you are using this. Okay. And once you've done this kind of mapping, then you have to just check it. Okay, this is I'm going to follow, and this is I'm not going to follow. This is either you can simply cut it down like, and this is just like a rough work. Okay, don't go for beautiful writing or design, and because first idea has to be there, or you can say no, color is not value main concern for me. So this is the way. First, mind mapping. You can get an idea. Okay, you want to say something social environment, or something. If you anything, it could be a, for example, pollution, racism. These are the problem, and why I'm saying that if you're doing something, you can present in a film festival or some platform which can be helpful for you to get the market or your PR or something. You know this. This is something we don't want, but we have to follow for our PR purpose also, because Indian government constantly ask this kind of competition where you are supposed to either go for animated content, or you can supposed to draw poster. Okay, you are supposed to draw about your character or comics. Very common practices by the government. So by this way, you can create your visual, you can create your idea, and you can participate. Probably you can register your name there, or you get an award, and anything could be possible. So this is all about mind mapping. So till here, any question? Those who are online, is there
No,
any
sir.
No.
Yes.
who, who have learned this earlier, or this is going to be first time?
First time, sir.
First time. And I experience this is a the very good practice. Whenever you are planning, since we are creative people, many times what happened that you stuck within yourself. So once you ask introspect yourself, you ask question to yourself, you get an idea. So idea get clear and clear. It from abstract it comes to solid form, or some definite form, right? So same thing I'm going to discuss with these people. Meanwhile, I'll give you uh, some time to practice, and we go some demonstration, some practice, some demonstration, some practice in every class. So exactly it's 9 here in my mobile, exactly 9. So by 9:15 I'll come back to you, and you should be ready with this, whether it's a paper or digitally, and then you share those images to my WhatsApp. Then we'll discuss further. So once we done this, then we'll go for second stage. and so on.
Sir, we have to like अपने words खुद ही लिखने ना?
Yes, yes, yes. Whatever. Mind mapping is whatever
Okay.
is there in the mind you want to develop.
Just one word or
No, no, the
something?
entire branches as much as clearly you can. Don't go too much. That thousand words are there.
Branches of one single word, right?
Whatever. See, let's say as I started with flower, then immediately it came someone's mind rose, and then someone's mind beauty. So whatever that related things are coming, you have to just write down and then develop branches, sub branches, and more branches, and
Okay.
then collect the main topic or main word for you, which can help you to develop a story.
Okay.
Okay, so all of you have till 9:15, and I'm going to mute myself, so deal with student and then come back to you. Is that it sound that well?
Yes, sir. Fine.
Fine. And I think some students who are from international could not understand my accent. If he or she is there, somebody. Okay, you people just start. You have 15 minutes. By 9:20, means it's 9 to. You use either paper or any digital format. Totally free. Choice is yours. Okay. Hope my screen is still visible to you, and just going to mute myself. Don't waste time. Start. Kaushalish, I can see your work. Kaushalish, what about the center theme? Dream?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's looking fine to me. Dream is there, ghost, and then so and so. Ghost is there, and robotic is there. Future and past both are there. Uh, can you tell me what exactly that negative and positive?
The negative.
Negative. Okay. So do you want to go with this all content or want to knock off few? So is the robot going to be a hero or a protagonist, or ghost going to be a antagonist or villain, or
सर
other way
ये
around?
द घोस्ट विलन एंड जो रोबोट है वो हेल्प के लिए कैरेक्टर के मतलब एक बॉय है जिसमें एक रोबोट हेल्प कर रहा है जो कि फ्यूचर से है.
Fine, very fine. Just write down in the series what could be the first, second, third, fourth, and try to write out something and come out with the solid idea.
ओके सर.
Next sheet, okay? Don't spoil this sheet.
ओके सर.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, who is this?
Sir, I'm Suraj.
Suraj. हाँ, सूरज बताओ.
Can I share my ideas?
तुमने भेजे में वो किया है WhatsApp?
Sir, WhatsApp.
किया है तो ठीक है, नहीं तो बताओ, मुझे कोई इशू नहीं, तुम वर्बली कम्युनिकेट कर.
I'm sharing my idea in WhatsApp.
हाँ, फर्स्ट शेयर देन लेट मी सी, मुझे देखने दो उसको, और फिर मैं. तुमने किया है क्या? नहीं, आकर्ष नहीं किया. आकर्ष कर, तो मुझे WhatsApp करो, देन विल डिस्कस ऑन ऑनलाइन.
I can send also.
आकर्ष के लिए है माउंटेन, सो माउंटेन से स्नो, स्काई, स्कीइंग, केबल कार, स्टंट्स, केव्स, मिस्ट्री. या गोइंग गुड. So Akash, yes, find out which are going to be your final word over here. Mountain, caves, mystery, then treasure. So it can be a good story.
Yes, sir.
And you can club like some incident or accident in between while finishing or reaching your end.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so develop that story. Its target is mountain, just like Everest movie.
Yes, yes.
Go ahead, go ahead.
I have some more ideas, sir. If you can see from treasure, I can go to ancient and then historical dramas, and then we can add the
So, yeah, write paragraph like
yeah,
mountain to bottom, caves,
yeah,
treasure. One paragraph for this mountain, right to left that is human or whatever, and four paragraph, and then come together all those.
okay, sir.
Try to connect those four all in paragraphs.
Okay, sir.
Suraj.
Sir, I've also sent you on your WhatsApp.
Yeah, yeah. So I just received from Suraj, and let me see. So Suraj, क्या है? Title क्या है या theme क्या है? Center theme?
हाँ सर, कुछ लोग हैं जो खजाने के पीछे जाते हैं एंड देन बहुत सारी चेतावनियों का वो करना पड़ता है सामना, एंड उन्हें पहले से ही किसी ने बता दिया था कि आपको बहुत खतरा है, आगे मत जाओ। एंड वहीं कुछ लोग हैं एंड
ठीक है।
पहुंचते पहुंचते कुछ लोग मर भी जाते हैं। एंड
हाँ, तो अब इन घटनाओं को ना सीरीज में लिखो, एक के बाद दूसरा, दूसरे के बाद तीसरा, ठीक है, इस अगले पेज पे।
जी सर।
ओके, कौशल is done, this is done. Anish Prajapati. So Anish use software. Yeah, Anish, are you there? It's a short
Hello,
CI.
yes.
Okay,
Hello.
yeah, ठीक है. Melee documentary, swordman, armor, Japanese. Okay. Muscular pad, swordsmith. So one is the swordman and the another one is the swordsmith. So who is protagonist or antagonist or what?
I wanted to have. I'm kind of shelving the idea of having a swordsmith. I'm thinking about more going towards two swordsmen basically fighting each other. I'll make one of them as protagonist and one of them as antagonist. And I'm thinking of changing their ethnicity. So one can be like Japanese and one can be European.
Okay. So what you have just said, just write it down and develop that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. In between, just fill in the blanks kind of thing. There are two lines. Fill that in between lines so that they can connect both the line and creating some new. Okay. So go ahead then. Then one is on education. I didn't find the name of the student who have sent on education. Okay. So education. So you are going positive side of. अच्छा पहले किया है ना तुमने वो education पे. Okay, ठीक है. It's a kind of is it going to be a biography time kind of thing or what? Fiction.
Basically, a mixture.
Okay. So do one thing. In coming classes, we come to know that how to add the struggle and then the solution for that. When we're studying that 3-act structure. So write and rewrite and try to make 2-3 paragraphs up. Is that
Okay,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Because once you have done, then I have to spend more time to everyone to add my view. It's just adding. Otherwise, you can stick to your idea also if you don't find my ideas good.